Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove the highlight on a text you have created in the JW Library app. Just open the app and find the content you would like to remove. So here I have highlighted this title. I just click on it and select the parts. Now I just click on it and then this dustbin will appear. I'll click on it and then the whole part, the highlight part, will disappear. If I click on here, the same is going to happen. And if you would like to highlight only one word, then try to select only the one word and the highlight will appear again. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.